What's going on, world? This is Brian coming back to show you another way to make some money. Today, I'm going to show you how to get cash back from Amazon. I'm also going to show you how to get $5 today, and I'm going to show you how to get paid $5 for each referral.
But first,
They said I need an intro.
All right. So let's talk about the company and their terms and conditions. The name of the company is Waldo, and I like to read things directly from the site. I copied some sections from the site. That way you can't, won't just be taking my word for it as to how the company operates. So the name of the company is Waldo. First, you want to know who can sign up for the service and use it. Service is available to U.S. residents who are 18 years of age and older and have a valid email address. All right. How the service works. We provide our service by tracking customer policies at popular online merchants, which are listed on our site. Where we see a potential savings or refund opportunity based on your purchase history, we will correspond with merchants on your behalf using your email address and name to attempt to get you the benefit. You authorize Waldo to act as your agent in performing the service. By registering for the service, you may be required to link your personal email accounts such as Google, Yahoo, and Microsoft, and other merchant accounts such as Amazon to the service. In order to identify saving opportunities for you, we will review the contents of your linked accounts, including receipts, correspondence, and contacts information. From time to time, we may offer you additional services. If we do, these terms will apply. So here's how the service works when they find price drops and give you the money. Price drop refunds, filing claims, fees, and payment. Our price drop service monitors your eligible purchases for price reductions after you buy. Waldo will file a claim for an eligible purchase where we detect a price drop of at least $3 or more. Waldo may file claims for smaller price drops at his discretion. After the first claim is filed, Waldo will not file additional claims for the same item, even if the price drops again. Not all price drops may be detected, and Waldo is not responsible for any missed refund opportunities. There is a 25% finder's fee for the price drop service. Any refunds that Waldo obtains will be credited by the merchant to the credit card or other form of payment that you use to make the purchase, as determined by the merchant's policy. Each month, Waldo will send you a summary of refunds we obtained and charge the appropriate credit card on file for the finder's fee. Any wireless carrier charges related to your use of the service are your responsibility. So basically, you sign up and you attach that email that you also have with your Amazon account. So when they see that you made a purchase, they'll track that purchase. They can see the price from the email. That price drops more than $3. They'll file a claim to get you the refund. If the refund claim is approved, the refund will go back to you. Whatever card you paid for the products with on your Amazon account, you'll see the refund there. And the card that you attach to Waldo, that's what they use to charge the 25% finder's fee. So whatever the 25% is, it's going to come from your refund amount. All right. The card that you also attach is also used to issue you your referral commissions if you choose to refer others to the service. You also can cash out through PayPal. I've done that. I'll include a video in a link in the description so you can see they actually pay those referral commissions pretty fast. The minimum payout is $25 on referral fees. You get paid when you sign up, and you also get paid for each person that signs up and also completes their Waldo profile. All right, so to get started, you want to go to www.getcashback.cash and search for Waldo. You'll see it on the home page. Sign up using the email that you use for your Amazon account. Complete your Waldo profile by attaching a valid card. You will see your sign-up bonus in your Waldo balance once you have completed your profile. Locate your referral link and start referring people if you want to make extra money. That's completely optional. And as I said, I'll show you here a video where I cashed out $30 from referring. The link to that video will be in the description if you're watching this on YouTube, or if you're on the getcashback.cash website, the video is down below. So let's take a look at the website and I'll show you around. Okay, we're on the website. Once you sign up, it's going to say good evening and have your name there. To see your balance, you click on refer a friend right here. And normally the referral program pays $5 for referring people. Right now there's a promotion where you get $10 for each friend who signs up. Okay. There's your Waldo balance there. And you will see your referral link. Just copy this link here. Click copy referral link. Then it's in your clipboard. So you right click and select paste to see your referral link. And you can send it out to your friends, families, strangers online, anybody who would like to also get paid for referring people to this service, and also everybody who would like to get cash back just for shopping. So that's the end of the program. Go ahead and take action today so you can get started getting cash back on your shopping. And if you would like to also participate in the free referral program, right now there's a special for you getting $10 for each friend who signs up. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video about making money. All right, see you guys later.